2016 Toyota Tacoma extended cap, and need to replace the glass, which is the glass is been broke by thief. So on this piece right here, just pop it out so you have a push pins right here. So that push pin just push down so you can pop this out, okay? And then you pop back, so you just when you're done. Take out this sponge, and another screws down here. Inside here, you use flat screwdriver. Pop this out. There's a screw. Okay, only 2 screws are holding this up here. Just taking this out. Attach the back here. Okay, the green on the bottom, the white on the top. It's a push pins, so you just push the pin and they will pop out. Cut this glue off. You don't have to cut it, but just make sure you can peel this glue. Okay. Put this tins out. Glass is ordered from Amazon, and according to the Toyota 4-door or extended cab, they're using the same glass and made in China. Good stuff, huh? Ooh. That's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now. You know how to do it.